Good morning, honey. You're up early today.
Yeah, I didn't sleep well last night.
I made coffee for you.
That's perfect, thanks.
Sit down. Breakfast is almost ready.
Smells really good. What did you make?
Eggs, toast, and cheese.
Nice. I'm hungry.
Did you check your phone?
Not yet. I wanted a quiet morning.
That's rare for you.
I know. I just needed it today.
You look tired. Work was stressful?
Yeah, a bit.
Eat first, then think about work.
Good idea.
I packed your lunch, too.
Really? Thanks.
No problem.
You always take care of me.
Of course.
I have 2 meetings today.
You'll do fine.
I hope so.
Don't forget lunch.
I won't.
Text me later.
Of course I will.
Have a good day.
You too.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I'm looking for some casual clothes.
Sure. Are you thinking about shirts, pants, or both?
I think I need both, actually.
Okay. What size do you usually wear?
Medium, I believe.
All right. I'll show you a few options. Try this shirt.
Oh, this actually looks nice.
It's one of our best-selling casual shirts.
Can I try it on first?
Of course. The fitting room is right over there.
It fits me pretty well.
Yeah, it looks really good on you.
I like the color a lot.
We also have it in black and white if you want.
Let me see the black one, please.
Here you go.
This one feels even better. I like it more.
Good choice. It suits you well.
What about pants? I need something to match.
These jeans are very popular right now.
Can I try them as well?
Sure, go ahead.
They're actually really comfortable.
And they fit you perfectly.
I think I'll take both the shirt and the jeans.
Great choice.
Is there any discount on these?
Yes, I can give you 10% off today.
Nice, thank you.
You're welcome. Anything else you need?
Nope, that's everything for today.
Okay. Will you pay by cash or card?
I'll pay by card.
Done. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hi, I'd like to order some food, please.
Sure. What would you like to have today?
Something quick. Maybe a burger.
No problem. Would you prefer chicken or beef?
Chicken, please.
All right. Do you want fries with that?
Yes, I'll take fries.
And what about a drink?
A cola, please.
Okay. Anything else you'd like to add?
No, that's everything for now.
All right. May I have your name and delivery address?
Of course. My name is Sarah Welson, and the address is 12 Nile Street.
Got it. Let me confirm that.
How long will the delivery take?
It should take around 30 to 40 minutes.
Okay, that's fine.
Will you pay by cash or card?
Cash on delivery.
All right. Noted.
Please try not to be late if possible.
We'll do our best to deliver on time.
Thanks. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Anything else you want to add?
No, that's all.
Your order has been confirmed.
Perfect. Thank you.
We'll call you when we arrive at your location.
Okay, I'll be ready.
Thank you for ordering with us.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye. Hey, are you available for a ride?
Yes. Where would you like to go?
To the city center, please.
Sure. Hop in.
Thanks a lot.
Is this your first time visiting this area?
No, I actually come here quite often.
Traffic is pretty heavy today.
Yeah, I noticed that already.
Do you want the fastest route or a shorter one?
Please take the fastest route.
All right. No problem.
How long do you think it will take?
Around 25 minutes, depending on traffic.
That's not too bad.
It's a really hot day today.
Yeah, the heat is intense today.
Is the air conditioning okay for you?
Yes, it feels perfect. Thank you.
Where exactly in the city center are you going?
Near the main shopping mall.
Got it. I know the place.
Do you usually drive all day?
Yes, I usually work long shifts.
That must be quite tiring sometimes.
It can be, especially in traffic.
Are we almost there?
Yes, about 5 minutes away.
Great, thank you.
All right, here we are.
How much do I owe you?
That will be $30.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Thanks. Have a good day. Good morning. Do you have a minute, sir?
Yes, go ahead. What's up?
I wanted to ask about taking a few days off next week.
Okay, which days exactly are you thinking about?
Maybe from Tuesday to Thursday next week?
Is everything all right? Is something wrong?
No, nothing wrong. I just need a short break.
That's understandable.
I've been working non-stop for a while now.
Yeah, I've noticed that.
I'll make sure to finish all my work before I leave.
What about your current tasks?
I'll either complete them or hand them over properly.
Who do you think can cover your work while you're away?
Tom can probably help with that.
That sounds like a good choice.
I'll speak to him today and explain everything.
Make sure everything is clearly organized before you go.
Of course, I will.
Any urgent deadlines during that time?
No, I'll take care of everything before I leave.
All right then.
So, does that mean it's approved?
Yes, it's approved.
Thank you very much.
Just try to stay reachable in case we need anything urgent.
Sure, I will.
When will you be back?
I'll be back Sunday morning.
All right, that works.
I really appreciate it.
You've earned the break.
Thanks, I really needed this.
Enjoy your time off.
I will, thank you. Hi, I'd like to book a room, please.
Of course. For which dates would you like to book?
From the 10th to the 13th of this month.
All right, that's 3 nights in total.
Yes, that's correct.
What type of room would you prefer?
A double room, please.
Would you like 1 bed or 2 separate beds?
1 bed is fine.
Smoking or non-smoking room?
Non-smoking, please.
Let me check the availability for you.
Sure, thank you.
Yes, we do have a room available for those dates.
That's great.
Your booking also includes breakfast.
Perfect. That's good to know.
The price is $120 per night.
Okay, that's fine for me.
May I have your full name, please?
Sarah Welson.
Thank you, Miss Sarah.
Do I need to pay now or later?
You can pay at check-in.
All right, that works for me.
Do you have any special requests?
A quiet room would be appreciated if possible.
Noted. We'll try our best.
Thank you very much.
Your booking is confirmed.
Great, I appreciate it.
We look forward to welcoming you.
See you then.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Hello? I need some help with my bank card.
Hello, sure. Please give me your ID card.
Of course. Here you go.
What seems to be the problem?
It's not working when I try to use it.
Is this happening at an ATM or in a store?
At the ATM machine.
Did you enter your PIN correctly?
Yes, I'm sure I did.
All right, let me check your account details.
Okay, thank you.
Can I have your full name, please?
Sarah Wilson.
And your ID number?
It's 7788.
One moment while I check this for you.
Sure, I'm waiting.
I can see that your card is temporarily blocked.
Oh, really? Why is that?
It's because of too many incorrect PIN attempts.
I understand now.
I can unblock it for you right now.
Yes, please. I'd appreciate that.
All right, it has been unblocked.
Great. Thank you so much.
Please try using it again in about 5 minutes.
Okay, I will do that.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's everything.
Everything looks good on your account now.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks again for your support.
Anytime. We're here to help.
Hey, Sarah, are you free this weekend?
I think I am. Why?
I was thinking we should go out somewhere together.
That actually sounds good.
Do you prefer dinner or going to the cinema?
I'd say dinner sounds better.
Do you have any place in mind?
What about that new restaurant that just opened?
Yeah, I've heard a lot of good things about it.
People say the food there is really amazing.
What time should we meet?
Around 7 p.m. would be perfect.
Perfect. That works for me too.
Should we make a reservation?
Yes, I can book a table for us.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Do you want me to pick you up?
Yes, please, that would be great.
Okay, I'll come around 6:30.
All right, I'll be ready by then.
Don't be late this time.
I promise I won't be late.
It's been a while since we went out like this.
Yeah, we really needed a break.
I'm actually excited about it.
Me too, it should be fun.
All right, see you then.
See you later.
Take care until then.
You too, take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Sarah. Thank you so much. So, how does it feel today? Honestly, it feels really good. Do you have any special plans for today? Just a small birthday party with family and friends. That sounds really nice. Yeah, I wanted something simple this year. Did you get many gifts? Yeah, I got a few nice ones. I actually got you something too. Really? That's so kind of you. Yeah, I'll give it to you later. Thank you. I really appreciate it. You honestly deserve it. That's very sweet of you to say. Another year older already. Yeah, time is going by so fast. But you still look the same, honestly. Lucky me then, I guess. Let's take a photo together. Sure, good idea. Okay, smile. Done. That looks good. I'm really glad I came today. Me too. I'm happy you're here. Enjoy your special day. I definitely will. Thanks for inviting me. Of course, always. Let's go celebrate now. Yes, let's enjoy the party.
Excuse me, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine, thank you.
Do you need help crossing the road?
Yes, please. The traffic is moving too fast for me.
No problem. I can help you.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
Just wait here for a moment until the cars stop.
Okay, I feel a bit nervous.
Don't worry, I'm right here with you.
I really appreciate that.
The light is still red for pedestrians right now.
I can hear how busy the traffic is.
Yes, it's quite crowded at the moment.
Do you think it's safe to go now?
Not yet. Let's wait a few more seconds.
All right, I'll wait.
Okay, now it's green for us to cross.
Great, let's go carefully.
Walk slowly and stay close to me.
I'm walking very carefully.
Just keep moving straight with me.
Okay, I'm right behind you.
Don't rush. Take your time.
I'm going slowly.
We're almost halfway across.
I can see the other side now.
We made it safely.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. No problem at all.
I really couldn't have done it alone.
I'm just glad I could help you.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Take care.
Hello, doctor.
Hello. What seems to be the problem today?
I haven't been feeling well for the past few days.
What kind of symptoms are you experiencing?
I have a headache and a slight fever.
How long have you had these symptoms?
For about 3 days now.
Do you feel any other pain in your body?
Yes, my body feels weak and tired.
Have you taken any medication so far?
Just some basic painkillers.
Did they help you at all?
Not really. The pain is still there.
All right, let me check your temperature first.
Is it something serious, doctor?
No, it looks like a mild fever.
Oh, that's a relief.
You definitely need some rest.
I've actually been working a lot lately.
That could be the main reason.
So, what should I do now?
Make sure you drink plenty of fluids and water.
Okay, I will do that.
I'm going to prescribe you some medicine.
Do I need antibiotics for this?
Not at this stage, just basic medication for now.
All right, I understand.
Take the medicine twice a day after meals.
After meals, got it.
If your condition gets worse, come back immediately.
Okay, I will.
Try to get some proper rest at home.
Thank you very much, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.